Hi everyone, my name is Wissam and I'm co-founder and CPO of Sifflet. Sifflet is a full data stack observability platform designed for data engineers and also data consumers to ensure the data reliability during its full life cycle. Sifflet connects to your modern data stack and automatically centralize all data assets, its documentation, its metadata, and all the information you may or you need to interact with that data asset. It can be a table on Snowflake, it can be a dashboard on Looker or Tableau, it can be a model on dbt, it can also be a DAG on Airflow, and for that, users can leverage our search engine to find the right asset for them. Let's say I want to do some analysis on the orders of my customers. So here, by typing orders, I can find all the search results that can match my search. So here I see that there is an existing dashboard on Looker called orders. I can go there and consume the metrics. I see that there are models on dbt that are transforming the data and giving birth to tables on Snowflake, for example, this one that is called orders. I see here that there is the red dot on this table. It means that there is a data quality anomaly that is impactful and critical. We are getting into that a bit later. Let's learn more about this table called orders. So on top of its schema, its details, all the description that can happen there, let's jump to its lineage. So the lineage is a very straightforward and visual way to understand all the dependencies of this table, either on the left-hand side or on the right-hand side. The left-hand side is the upstream dependency. It's giving more context on how this table is being computed. The right-hand side, it's downstream dependency. It's giving more context on how this table is being used in the business workflows, for example. So if we explore on the left-hand side, we see that this table is being transformed based on two row tables, and with the colored dot, it's actually a very simple and visual way to understand how the data quality anomaly is being propagating within your data infrastructure. Now, if we want to understand the downstream dependencies, we can go back to this table orders on Snowflake, and we can start exploring on the right-hand side to see that's actually feeding into objects on Looker and going to the dashboard level that is exposed to the decision makers, for example. Now, if we want to get more granular level on the dependencies, we can always go to the field level to get this kind of visibility. This lineage is computed automatically. There is no manual input in it. And let's say if there is a new dashboard that is created on Looker that is based on this table, if there is a new table used to add other fields to this table, all this kind of updates is going to be picked up automatically by Sifflet and surfaced on this kind of graph. Sifflet is going to scan these tables, its data and metadata, and suggest the right monitoring in place. For example, suggesting to monitor its freshness, its completeness, the schema change, the application, automatically detecting the fields that are represented IDs and making sure that those IDs are respected, etc., etc. To complete auto coverage, users can leverage a library of intelligent templates to detect any kind of data quality anomaly. Once data quality rule is put in place, users can access all the necessary information to understand if this rule is failing or not, and if it's failing, to get the full context. Let's look at an example. Here, we are monitoring the completeness, freshness, and application of a table on Snowflake. Our models are capable of setting expectations automatically in terms of frequency of update, in terms of volume of data expected, based on all the dynamics and historical patterns of this table. For example, here we see that there is a drop in the volume of the data, meaning that we lost part of this data. To make sure that these alerts are accurate and the model is more intelligent, users can give their feedback to the models, saying, for example, this is a false negative, this is a false positive, or this is something that is expected because we launched a new market, for example, and we are going to start having way more data than we used to have in the past. I hope you have enjoyed this demo. Please feel free to reach out if you have any question or if you want to have a deep dive on our product.